Hello, Live It Up guests, donors, honorees, and staff. We've come up with a simple yet classy pear and goat cheese crostini for tonight's appetizer. I'm Jeanne Ketchum, a client service coordinator for Help Hope Live, and you're joining me in my kitchen from the suburbs of Philadelphia. My house is known to friends as Sweet House and has a basement bar named the Tipsy Fox. My family is a quirky bunch and we name things around here. Our recipe tonight has 6 ingredients. A baguette cut into slices. Day-old bread is best for slicing and preparing this recipe. A cup of ricotta cheese. A half a cup of goat cheese crumbled. A pear washed and sliced thin. Honey, and chopped hazelnuts. Here comes the simple part, using your toaster. The baguette slices line up well, 2 per slot. You may need to adjust toasting time so you don't burn the slices. While toasting, mix your goat cheese with your ricotta with a fork. Once toast is done, you can spread the cheese mixture onto each slice. Top each appetizer with 2 slices of sliced pear. Drizzle your appetizer with honey. Sprinkle hazelnut on each appetizer. Enjoy this savory sweet appetizer and live it up with us here at Help Hope Live.